Willard Public Library virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we'll be making simple and elegant fall napkin rings for your Thanksgiving table. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services Desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes enough supplies to make 4 napkin rings. You will get 4 orange tassels that measure 3 3/4 inches, 4 beige pipe cleaners that measure 12 inches, and 40 wooden beads that measure 16 millimeters each. You will also need 1 pair of scissors. To start out, thread 9 of your wooden beads onto 1 of your pipe cleaners. Leaving a little bit of space between the beads, twist the 2 ends of your pipe cleaners together a few times to secure in place. Next, take the loop of one of your tassels and thread it through one of your beads. Now we're ready to attach our decorative tassel to the napkin ring. Put the loop of the tassel underneath the pipe cleaner, then slide the bead and the tassel through that loop. Use your scissors to cut off the tail ends of your pipe cleaner and your first napkin ring is complete. You can leave your napkin rings just like this, or you can embellish them with decorative supplies like ribbon, craft paper, washi tape, paint, ornamental beads, and so on. Here you'll see I'm adding a name tag to my napkin ring with some simple craft paper and some twine. Get creative with this craft and add a special handmade touch to your Thanksgiving table this year.